Then we add destabilization, so now we can use the hand to move the guy around so the guy's not even on balance. His head down here, boom.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
So we're just trapping him. It happened right in here. Okay? This is where we like to play. Goes to the ground and we play the ground game. But when we get to the ground, you want to stabilize him, you want to know how to hit him, you want to know thumb in the eyes, elbow him, put him out of commission and get back up. The street is no place for ground fight. Okay, why do you need to know it? Why is it important? Because you don't have a choice.